welcome back to my channel. So a lot of you guys have been commenting on one of my recent posts that you really like my room, and one of you guys even asked for a room tour, so that's what I'm doing for you guys today. I'm also going to be redoing my room, so if you would like to see that, then definitely subscribe and hit the bell so that you won't miss that video. Now let's get on with the video. So this is my door, obviously, and this is actually an imprint of my brother's handle from his door, which looks like a moon, and it's pretty cool. It's basically what you first see. This is my room. Starting with my dresser, I have a whole bunch of stuff that I made when I was really little, which is one of the reasons why I want to redo my room, because a lot of this stuff is so old.
And there I am, hi.
So over here I have my lamp, and it's really pretty. Then it has a charger thing right here. And this is my Amazon Alexa. I just have a baby picture. That's me in 5th grade, and that's me in a show right there. And that's me and my sister. And I have a bunch of pictures of me and my friends. And it's kind of cluttered, which is another reason why I want to redo my room. Then these are some socks that I cannot find the matches to. Here is my dresser. I'm not going to open these, even though for some reason a lot of people like to see what's in people's dressers. But basically, these are pajamas, these are jeans, these are summer shirts, these are fall shirts and winter shirts, these are socks and tights, and this right here is where I keep all of my summer shorts. Up here, I have a little Build-A-Bear, and this is a little Polaroid dress. These are some of my old Polaroids, and this is just my iPad. Then I have some pencils right here. I have some postcards from Disney, and I just leave them right on my desk. Then I just have a lamp here, and I made this. And during the summer, I like to keep my bathing shoes out because I don't like reaching into my closet too much. And then I have this microphone that plugs into my computer for my covers and stuff. Then I have just some hats and a Polaroid camera that I really want to start using again. Then I just have some storage up there. And this is just my chair. Up here is another thing that I made with one of my good friends. Over here I have my spider chair, and right on top of it I keep my winter blanket. I only use this in the winter, but it's so cozy. This is just my air conditioner, and then over here I have my glow up things. I don't know what they're called. I took them from set when I was in Mary Poppins. That's why there's just random letters. So this was part of a set that spelled Miss Corey, which is the character in Mary Poppins the musical. And then this was just an additional piece. So this one just makes sense in my room. And then the O and the C don't really make that much sense, but it's still really sentimental. So down here, I just have some storage. Again, this is really cute. It's just a bunch of my hair elastics, and these are my new sanitizers. Then this is just a bunch of scrunchies and a hair towel, and my Disney ears. I have 2 of them. I also have just a bunch of other stuff like a bandana and hats and stuff like that. This little thing matches my bed, and it's really cute. Then over here I just keep my headbands in here and my Shrek ears. I have 2 of them because I did Shrek twice, and both companies decided to hand out some Shrek ears, so I kept them both. Then over here I have some bows because I used to wear them every day in 6th grade. And then I have my birthday cards from I don't even know how long ago. Then over here I have some planners from like 2015 or 16 or something. And then some like markers and stuff like that. Under my bed I try to keep it neat, but I do have some storage. And this emoji pillow. Then I have some slides and some slippers. Over here is just my night table, and this is actually a touch lamp. I plugged it in for the video, but I usually don't have it plugged in only because one time it just randomly turned on. Then I have some books, and this is my tech drawer with all my camera equipment and stuff like that, and my chargers as well. Over here is my bed. So this is my bedding, and it's from Bed Bath & Beyond, as well as some of the pillows, and then the rest of the pillows are from Target. Over here, I just have some scarves for the winter. So this is my vanity. I have a few storage things, like here and here. I don't really wear makeup a lot unless I'm doing a show, so I don't really have much. This is my drawer, and most of the stuff is from e.l.f. Since I don't wear makeup every single day, I might as well not spend too much money on it, and e.l.f. is pretty cheap. Then right in this drawer, I have my mirror and some makeup bags. I have a whole bunch of Alex and Ani bracelets and some hairspray. Then I have a whole bunch of makeup in here and some palettes. I put all my lip products in this bag with a mouth because I thought that was pretty cool. Nothing else really interesting. I have some brushes in here. Then behind my chair, I have a bunch of stuffed animals. They're really cute. Ignore the lighting, it's so bad, but my grandma painted these paintings for me. So that's me, and I used to have gold hair, but now it's not that light anymore. Then up there is, I don't know, we never gave her a name. Comment below what her name should be. So then over here, I have my name on the wall. This is the color that my room used to be when I was little, and I might change it again to gray or white when I redo my room. So this is my closet. I just keep my dresses in here and my rompers and just some stuff that doesn't fit in my drawers. The rest of the closet is a little messy, so I'm not going to be showing that, but I just thought this was super cute. Over here, I just have a whole bunch of lotions and perfumes and shower gels that I picked up. Most of them are from Bath & Body Works. I also have this from Disney, which is an absolute lifesaver when you have sunburn. And then I have some perfume. Here's just some more stuff that I couldn't fit into the basket. Then I have a speaker back here. In this drawer, I have some playbills and some other sentimental stuff. Down here, I have my really nice shoes and whatever this is. Up here, I have this that I also made with my friend. And then I got these at my friend's Bohemian Sweet 16. This is just a dream catcher, and then this is a flower crown. And I got these for free on Black Friday. Then down here, I just have a whole bunch of dance shoes, some storage, and some more dance shoes. Then back here, I have a really old doorbell from Justice, but I use it as a chew toy when I'm dog sitting. It's really cute. Then I have my bags. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below so that I know to post more videos like this. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Please like it and give it a big thumbs up.